Yo, Michael, did you see on the news last night about the purple and green lights?
Yeah, I have. That phenomenon is actually known as aurora borealis, or more commonly known as the northern lights. It happens miles above us with no fire and no lamp and nothing that we humans have naturally actually put together.
So then why is this all happening?
Well, here's the explanation. Our sun is constantly shooting out a stream of tiny charged particles. These particles are called the solar wind. When those particles fly toward Earth, they get pulled toward the north and south poles because of our planet's magnetic field. Up in the atmosphere, those particles crash into gas molecules, such as oxygen and nitrogen. This collision gives those molecules energy.
Well, what happens when they release that energy? When the molecules release the energy, they begin to glow. Each molecule glows a different color. For example, oxygen typically glows green, while nitrogen glows blue or purple.
But how do we know what's actually happening? Satellites and spacecraft have measured solar wind and confirmed that those charged particles travel from the sun to the Earth. Scientists also noticed that auroras, or the veils of light that you see, grow stronger or more visible during solar storms. A solar storm occurs when the sun shoots out more charged particles than what is normal. That connection between solar activity and aurora intensity is one of our largest clues as to why solar wind is the real cause of this majestic phenomenon.
But I'm not going to be going to the North Pole anytime soon, so is there any way that we can see this at home?
Well, actually, yes, there is. Let's use this plasma ball to create our own northern lights. This plasma ball works just like the sun because it shoots out charged particles in all directions. Now, watch what happens when I bring a magnet close to it. See how the plasma inside bends and gets pulled toward the magnet? That's exactly what Earth's magnetic field does to the solar wind. It grabs those particles and attracts them to the poles. And in real life, wherever those particles hit, the light begins to appear. Pretty cool, right?
So the next time you see the northern lights, remember that it's the sun,
The Earth's magnetic field.
A little bit of atmospheric chemistry
To paint the night sky.
so when you see the sky ignite,
Remember the signs behind the light.